Welcome to Paw Paw Pirate Productions, and this is the first installment of You Can Do What Now? And today we have Betty Jo, who's going to teach us how to make a paper dragon puppet.
The first thing we do is fold two pieces of paper like this until you reach the end of it. To hold them together, you take tape. The type of tape has to be clear tape so people don't see the tape that you used. Take it and tape everything down. You do the same thing with your other piece. You take your two pieces and you fold them together. You'll have to cut the ends of one piece to make one piece smaller than the other. Then you have two pieces like this. Tape these pieces down so they don't show out or like come undone. Take the one top part that's going to be your jaw. You lay it on your paper. You see how big your hand is? You take your pencil and you'll mark it. And you lay it on the paper again. And you start taping down firmly to the paper. It can't be loose or it won't come out right. And you keep on doing that until both sides are firmly attached to the paper. Doesn't come apart. Now that you've done that, take it and cut it out. And if it's uneven, it doesn't matter. Like this. To make sure your top stays on right, take your tape and you tape down the sides of it. Now you're gonna start on the bottom of your base for the top piece of his or hers head. It doesn't have to be as long as a piece of paper, but large enough to hide the top of your hand. Tape it on the inside like this. And you do the same thing you just did on the other side. You take it and you cut that out with the top half. Now that you've done that, tape the sides down. There you go. The top half of your dragon is done. Now you gotta work on the bottom half. Your thumb is gonna go on the bottom, so it doesn't matter what size your jaw is. You just gotta make sure it's a small enough size that it matches up on the middle evenly of your top half. Yeah, they're everywhere on TikTok.
It's very cool.
My favorite one to watch is Scar Love because she puts extreme detail into them. And you fix it. And you're done with the top half of your jaw. You don't have to put that much paper on the bottom of it. You cut this out just like you did the other jaw. Cut it out like that. Take your tape and you even it up. If there's any extras coming out, cut it off. You have a completed dragon base, but since you can't get a good grip of it, you're gonna make loops for your hands. This loop is gonna go on the top part of the jaw for your 4 fingers. Take the tape, put it on the edge, and you use your other hand to measure out the loop of your fingers. Put it down, you measure it out. And you'll even it up. It's gonna turn into a ring like this, but if you put your hand in it, it straightens out. You take that and put it on this part, the top jaw. Tape it to anywhere of the loop. Put a good amount of it on, that way it stays on. Put it on like this. Now you're gonna work on the loop for your thumb, and you loop it around your other thumb. You cut your tape in half, that way you could fit it inside of the thumb loop. Now you take another piece, and you see if it'll fit down inside of it, and it does. Take your thumb piece, and you put it on the top roof of your bottom jaw, and you tape it down. And now you have a loop for your thumb. You take those, you put them together, and you have a working mouth and jaw. If it doesn't fit together right, that's okay. You take your tape, line it up, and you tape it together. Take another piece, do it again, but on the other side. The tape won't close it shut, but it will actually hold the jaws together. You should have a bit of better control of your puppet, like this. Now you're gonna start working on designing their face. I'm only gonna design one side of the face for sake of time, but if you wish to make another side of the face, you're gonna have to take something to trace the side of your face for. But for the top part of the face, take it and you draw out the base like this, and then you draw out a face. And now that that's done, take a black Sharpie and outline it. Now you're done outlining, you color your dragon. It could be any colors you want to be. Once you've done that, underneath of it, you trace out their jaw, like this. Your jaw can be the opposite color if you're dragon, if you want it to be, if you're like putting patterns or something on it, but that's not what I'm doing. And there you go. Your dragon's face is now finished. If you finish their face, move your stuff out of the way. You cut it out, cut him or her out. Once you've cut your face out, you're gonna take it and you press it up against like that. Take it so your dragon's face doesn't come off. And if you wish to make your face more stable, you can fold up pieces of paper and put it out along its face and attach the paper to the base so your dragon won't be flimsy. Then you take the bottom part of your jaw and you cut it out. And if it doesn't fit your jaw, that's okay. You could just trim it a little bit if it's too big.